How to add custom file upload form on your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So let's just go and get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to the apps section here. Click on that and click on all recommended apps. Then just click on Shopify App Store. From here, you just want to go to the top here and search for Uploadly. You should be able to find this right here. You simply just want to click on install and click on install one more time. From here, you simply just want to pick a plan. I'm just going to go for the free one. And now we're just going to go through the setup of the app. So first, enable the app embed. So just click on enable app. It's just going to take you to the theme editor. Just make sure this is toggled on and click on save from the top right corner. Next up, we're just going to add the actual block. So click on add block. And it should be added here. You can see it's right down here from the left side. Once you see it, you simply just want to click on save from the top right corner. And again, just go back to the steps. So just go and click on next step. So from here, we're just going to begin by creating our fields. So we simply just want to click on create field and click on the first option, which is AI Timmy. It's going to ask you what's the name of the field, and you simply just want to answer the questions. It's just going to take a little bit of time. It's much easier than going with the second option. Now here is something I'm going to show you as you set up with AI Timmy. It's going to ask you basic questions here, like the color of the button and what you actually wanted to say and so on. But now it's actually going to ask us how many files we wanted to, we can actually upload with that form. So we just want to select whether it's going to be single file, unlimited, or specific amount. I'm just going to stick to single file and send it and go on with the rest of the questions. So it's very, very straightforward from here. Just like this, as you can see, what file types are allowed. You simply just want to pick whether you want it to be images only, PDF files, or specific types. I'm just going to leave it as only image files and click on next. Here's another important one where you actually want it to appear. So whether it's going to be all products or specific ones. If it's specific, you can just click on this product and select as many as you like. I'm just going to go for red and click on select. So once you're done with the final question, just go and click on finalize. And you are pretty much good to go. You should be able to find your fields, and this is going to be the field that we have just created. Just make sure this is turned on, and you can even just go ahead and start viewing it on your online store. Just make sure you open up the right products. And as you can see, if I scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find the upload file option. And if I click on upload, it's just going to allow me to drop a file in there. Obviously, you can customize where this is from the editor. You saw where it was. You can just move it upwards if you would like. It's completely up to you. But yeah, this is pretty much how to add a custom file upload to your product page. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.